I have the ocean water sounds in the background, and I would like to tell you that you are okay, that you will heal, that you will grow, that you will recover. Let me caress your face, my beautiful. Yes, you will be okay. Let me give you a hug, my sweetheart, and a kiss. Till next time, for more encouragement. I love you, my friends.